Almost 70% of the Earth's surface is covered with oceans and seas. The Earth was formed probably 4,500 million years ago. Then it was a huge red-hot ball. Gradually it cooled and its atmosphere began to clear as rain fell continuously for many years and oceans and seas were formed. It means the beginning there were no oceans. It estimated that they were formed between 500 million and 1 billion years ago. But we are sure that many parts of the land were once part of the ocean floor. For example, in Himalayas marine remains have been found. They are a sure indication that once there was an ocean there. Oceans are salty because the salt of the Earth's surface is being constantly dissolved and deposited in them by the rivers. It is said that if all the oceans dry up there would be enough salt to erect a wall 180 miles high and a mile thick. Landlocked seas such as the Mediterranean Sea and the Residential Sea have more salt than other seas. Many people use the terms ocean and sea interchangeably when speaking about the ocean, but there is a difference between the two terms when speaking of geography, the study of the Earth's surface. Seas are smaller than oceans and are usually located where the land and ocean meet. Typically, seas are partially enclosed by land. Today, the world's ocean is divided into 5 separate areas: the Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Southern, and Arctic. 97% of all the Earth's water is contained within these saltwater oceans, and the rest is found in freshwater lakes and rivers located inland. Within the larger oceans lie a number of seas that are understood to be smaller and often bounded partially or fully by land. Now, both oceans and seas have never been more at the center of the world's most crucial issues than now. In terms of politics, countries in Asia are fighting politically over ownership of the South China Sea, whilst oceans in general are major parts of military strategy. Perhaps most important of all, the oceans are deeply important to the future path of climate change. Habitats like coral reefs and sea grass fields are under threat from warming oceans and altered acidity. However, they also offer a solution as the largest carbon sink on the planet. With this in mind, it is critical that we know our oceans in as much detail as possible.